everyone, so we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. Take a sheet like this and then roll it as we are rolling. Fix all of them together around a stick to make a flower. Fix it as shown in the video. Tie them together to make a beautiful flower. Make few more as such. Keep joining them, tie it and it's ready. Next, take a fruit foam net like this. Now roll it from the top and use a thread to fix it. Cut it to make a cute smooth ball like this. Now fix a stick in the between like this and make the flowers. And your stick is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. For that, we'll need a thread like this. Roll it around your fingers and then cut it from the between like this. Fix it properly. Make a ball out of it like this. Fix a stick in the between. Roll it using a tape and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. For that, we'll be needing a thread like this. Roll it and fix it out like this. Fix it by cutting it like this. Now take a pink color thread. Roll it in a big shape like this. Now fix the flowers and it's ready. Next, take a ribbon and cut it from the between. Now apply the double-sided tape and put the stick in the between. Now roll the sheets. Now cut it from the top like this. After that, apply the fire on the sides to make it hard like this. Give it a shape. Now make few more as such and paste it around as we are pasting. Make a flower and it's ready. Next, take a ribbon or a plastic like this and cut it from the between. Now roll it and then fix it in the between like this using a stick. Now roll the green color paper around it, cut it from the top and your flower sticks are ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.